Hey everyone, a couple months ago when I shot the spray paint of my 2001 Suburban, I did shoot footage about how to apply these decals to the back, but I had thought that I didn't have any of the footage because it looked like the camera had shut off, and in fact it had actually shut off, but only on the other side. So I do give you enough footage to figure out exactly how to position this so that it looks good and how to get parity between this side and the opposite side so the vehicles look good no matter how you look at it. But anyway, I hope you find this footage helpful, and good luck applying your own decals. As with all of our projects, don't be intimidated, just go out, get busy. Take care. So what I have here are factory correct 2001 Chevy 4x4 emblems. Now this did not come with these from the factory as far as I know, but remember what I said about distraction. So anybody that looks at the back of this is going to look, oh look, 4x4. They're not going to notice the paint or anything like that, like the fact that I got some overspray on that and I'll have to address it. They're going to see 4x4. The question is, how do I best align these? So you're going to have to do it with some tape and a measuring tape. And these are the type that you peel the back off, put them down, and then peel the top off, just like the LT emblems. So let's do it. Okay, normal measuring did not do it. It looked really awkward. I wanted to kind of make it so this thing lined up at the center of this, kind of get it to all look good. So let's step back and then I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. And after one is on, I can kind of do it on the other side with similar dimensions. So from here, I'm saying that looks even. Hopefully you agree. There's a lot of body lines and turns, and hopefully you agree that looks even. So what I'm going to do is to set my line for the decal. So if I put the decal backing right up against that and against that, I should be good to go. So while I do that, I'm going to move and put an upper line as well. I don't want to take any chances with these. They act like you can, fix it if you screw it up. No. All right, there's my box. Let's see how it goes. It's always scary doing these things. I don't know why they don't just put a center cut. You always end up battling trying to get the first bit started. Okay. Almost. Okay. So what I'm going to, oh geez. seems to want to stick to the backing more than to front, which happens. So what's going on is it's supposed to stick to the clear so you can lay it on right. It doesn't want to. It wants to let go. So I gotta manually kind of force it, stick to the top coat, let go of the paper. Once you get all the corners started, it'll work. Okay. So now that I've got that, keep your hands off the actual number part. You don't want to put fingerprints behind there. Now I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it right, this top part, right in that box. I'm going to fold the white paper out of the way so it stays out of the way. So with that in the box, I can start taking it off. And you want to kind of make sure it smooths down as it goes. No wrinkles. There is a fine art to this. If you screw it up, don't feel bad. Everybody's done it. I mean, once I walk away from this, it might look completely out of center. I don't know. We'll see. I got it pretty much in the box though. So then push in where the actual decal is. That's want to really stick. And then in theory, the top coat will just peel right up. Sometimes it'll take a piece of sticker with it, just back up and push it back down. These are big, so. All right, let's see if that looks level from where we are. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty good. So then, now we've got to kind of take a gauge where our box is for the other side and then repeat the process. Looks pretty good though. Let me take some measurements and then I'm going to move over to the other side. We've got, didn't go quite 4, it's almost exactly 3. And, 2 3/4. So 3, 2 3/4. And our edge was 3 1/2 from this edge on the tail light. All right, so we said this 2 3/4, 3. Okay, let's go over to the other side and try to get it to look level. Always a challenge. Start by just putting it in approximately where I thought it was, which is here, there, and there. Where's my tape? All right, let's take a look. close. Left side or rear, I think, needs to go down just a bit. Or that needs to go up just a bit. Well, I'm having trouble deciding. Looks right. Might be too high, but the other side had the gas filler, so I didn't want to get in the way of that. This is certainly the right height, right distance from the tail light. Question is it level enough? Let me go look at the other side. Okay, I know the footage cuts off a little abruptly, but unfortunately, that's all I had. But I think this is a pretty good video. I think it shows you exactly how to do it. Essentially, I'll wrap up by just saying, back up, eyeball it. If it looks good, you're in the right spot, all right? So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I've always got more content coming, and as I always say, if you want to do something like this yourself, don't be intimidated. Just go out, get busy. Take care.